if you want to make a paper plane, then you have to do it like this. So fold it in the middle very carefully and join the corners together. And after you've done that, you can open it up, and then you see a line in the middle. Can you see that? After then you can do that. Then you fold the top corners into the middle line, and after you fold it into the middle line, then you fold it down. Then you fold very carefully. Fold it. Then you do that. Then you fold the top corners again. And then fold it one more time. And then you and after you folded them both, so after you folded them both, you turn it around and then fold it. And there